Hi folks and welcome back. Today we are going to be making a super moist carrot banana bread in 3 minutes. In a bowl, add 5 ripe bananas. Using a potato masher or fork, smash the bananas until nice and chunky. Add 2/3 cup of canola oil, vegetable oil or olive oil. Add 1.5 to 2 cups of grated carrots. This can be finely grated, largely grated, or both. 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Mix it until the carrots and the bananas, the brown sugar, have been nicely incorporated. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 4 eggs to this. We have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give it a whisk to lighten up everything. This is going to be our dry mixture. We're going to add this to our wet ingredients. In goes our dry ingredients, and we're going to mix this until it's nice and smooth, preferably with a whisk. This is where I like to add my own personal touch, and this part is completely optional. I like to go in with 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, or you can use walnuts. You can even add raisins, or you can omit all of this, all this crunch entirely. Fold it in and we're ready to bake this up. Let's add our batter to our pan. We're making 2 banana bread. Bring it half the way up. We're going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until our rod inserted comes out clean, which will take around 45 minutes, close to an hour. If you enjoy this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you on another good day for another great recipe.